And we're going to talk now about this holiday season. If you're going to be visiting a loved one who's residing in a senior living community for the first time, you might have some anxiety about that. And to talk to us about how you might get over that anxiety or how you might deal with it, Ruth Tietz from Baptist Health is here now with some information on how to make it a positive one. Ruth?
Good afternoon. You really want to remember that no matter what happens during these visits, the visit and the time that you give is so much more important than the gifts or anything else that goes along with those holiday visits. Really make the content of your visits meaningful. Many times seniors who may be dealing with some memory issues, their long-term memory is very much intact, so bring up topics that'll help them remember fond memories of holidays in the past and things that they have to look forward to.
Yeah, and what else might you want to just do during your visit time there to make it special for both of you, really?
Well, one of the things you want to do is really limit the number of family members you bring in to visit. Sometimes too many people, you may have great intentions. It might confuse people. It's better to have more one-on-one time and keep that content of the conversation upbeat with your loved one. They might be feeling a little bit of depression, and just keep trying to circle back to those long-term memories that could make them feel a little bit more positive about their new situation.
Yeah, and certainly it can be a time when there is this feeling of loss or sadness or depression. How do you keep it upbeat? What can you do about that particular environment of being in a senior community that you can make it special for them?
Absolutely. Well, if you're having some issues about being around maybe people that are ill, arrange for a visit in one of the private rooms that many of these communities have. They have no problem doing that, and they welcome that. That's what it's for. And bring a craft or something that your loved one or friend enjoyed doing and make it a very meaningful time together. Get them involved in creating something or a memory for someone else. You know, it's better to give than to receive, and that applies for the folks in those situations too. If you need more tips, please call us at Baptist. We'll be happy to help you.
Yeah, and you might generate an interest in something that would go on long after the visit. So that's a great idea.
Yeah.
Thank you, Ruth, for that. And if you'd like more information about Baptist Health Nursing and Rehabilitation Center, the number is 370-4700, or online it's bapthealth.com. And we'll